This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off age restriction in the YouTube app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you need to do is tap on the YouTube app, of course. Then you will tap on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Then you will go down to Settings and tap on Settings. Then you will tap on General. And then right in here, Restricted Mode. This helps you hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. If it's toggled on, you're in restricted mode. You have age restriction and all that. You just toggle it off. And that is how you toggle off age restriction on the YouTube app. Thanks for watching.